Lesson 17. Reading practice number 7. Gentlemen, yesterday morning I received a copy of your company's personnel policies booklet. Period. It is well planned and should be valuable to your people. Period. It should add to their efficiency. Paragraph. My purpose in writing you, though, is to learn the name, what person who designed the booklet. Period. I think it is nicely designed and I would like to hire the designer to help us prepare an important brochure we will send to the stockholders of the National Manufacturing Company early next year. Paragraph. Could you tell me the name of your designer and where we can reach him or her? Question mark. Sincerely yours. 17. Reading practice number 8. Dear Dr. Yell, thanks for your short note about our personnel policies booklet. Period. I am glad you were pleased with it. Paragraph. This booklet was the work of David White, a personal friend of mine. Period. You can reach him at his business address at 115 West Street in Dallas. Period. David has been designing circulars, booklets, pamphlets, and similar things for us for 5 years. Period. He likes detailed work and he always does a good job. Period. He has won many prizes for his designs. Period. His work is imaginative and dependable. Period. What is more, he believes in meeting a deadline which is of great importance in any type of business. Period. Yours very truly. Reading practice number 9. Dear Dr. Percy, all of us are directly or indirectly involved with the manufacture of milk products. Period. Okay, look at the stroke between the directly and then indirectly. So this is letter D and this is the combination of N, D. Okay. The price and richness of milk, therefore, our matters of importance to all of us. Period. Yet, many people do not realize the important problems that we have in manufacturing and delivering Milk products paragraph. I am enclosing a booklet prepared by Mr. Roy Sweet that tells the whole story, period. If you would like to have enough copies of this booklet for your classes, we will be delighted to supply them, period. They are free, period. Just tell me where to send them, period. Sincerely yours.